Honda's Fit is aptly named. You can fit much more stuff inside it than in any other subcompact thanks to its boxy shape and multi-way folding rear seats. It also is a strong value, with class competitive refinement and build quality and a $17,080 base price. The 2018 model adds active safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking as optional or standard equipment on every trim level, further distancing the Fit from its humble competitors. What the Fit doesn't fit into its mix of capabilities is fun. Although you can get it with a manual gearbox, the Fit is at best pleasant to drive, which is a bit of a disappointment considering that the previous generation model was more engaging, while being equally practical. But if impressive interior space and versatility in a tiny package are what you're looking for, the Fit is still a car we highly recommend. High's Peerless interior packaging, multi-way folding rear seats, excellent fuel economy, Lowe's quite slow buzzy engine, handling isn't as fun as in Fit's past. Verdict still the small car to buy if you must buy small. What's new for 2018? The Fit, which debuted in its current configuration back in 2015, received a mid-cycle refresh for 2018. Honda has made automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist available on the little hatch. The previous generation Fit Sport trim returns to the Lineup 2, albeit with solely cosmetic upgrades including black painted wheels, a chrome exhaust tip, and a more aggressive rear bumper. Every Fit benefits from retuned suspension and steering components aimed at bringing back some of the driving fun for which their predecessors were known.